Okay. Then define the requirement. What are the requirements? Okay. Then support the technical implementations. It should consist software, what is the required data, everything, right? So help to implement the solutions. So which types of solution we can use. So we need to prepare a proper documentation, then access the value. Then we need to check whether the project is working properly or not. How much progress did the organization made? So is there any needed follow-ups? So is there any experienced guy who is working in IT? Anyone? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So everyone is fresher, no one is experienced, right? So this is the business analysis process. Okay. So any questions on this?
No, sir.
Oh. So what are the skills and knowledge we require? We need the analytical thinking and problem solving. So what is the analytical thinking and problem solving? Anyone? These guys, I need answers from here now. Okay. What is the analytical thinking? Please. With example, okay. Anyone? I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Okay, Google it and answer the question with example, but okay. Guys, please.
I think, sir, approaching every setback and failure as opportunity to learn. That's the best example for the analytical thinking.
And what is the problem solving?
I cannot exactly define problem. Yes, I can. We can define a problem like analytical thinking.
Okay, can we interrelate analytical thinking and problem solving?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So for problem solving, we need the analytical thinking. Okay. Okay, good. So we know the communication skill is very important. Okay, being a MBA, we should have the proper communication skill. So guys, please go. Okay, what is interpersonal and consultative skills? What are the interpersonal skills? Okay, please tell me. Anyone? What is interpersonal and consultative skills?
Sir, consultative skills means we can advise the business or client regarding their issues.
Okay, but what is the interpersonal then?
Interpersonal means within the team we can communication between the within team.
Okay, okay. So interpersonal means the communicate and interact with each other. Okay, it's not for our personal team. It should be a client, stakeholders, everyone. Okay. We should be talkative. We should inform the everything. Okay. So, hey, I'm in this process. So we have facing this problem. So we need a solution for that. So we need the time for that. So this is the interpersonal. Okay. And consultative skills, like you said earlier. Okay. So we can give the advices, right? So these are the primary skills. Okay. So being an MBA student, we should have this primary, and being a BA. So you have to interact with your client more than your team. Okay. Every day. So you guys have proper interpersonal skills and consultative skills and communication skills. So what is the cost benefit analysis then? Guys, please give me answers. Okay. These are small things. Anyone?
It's regarding the analysis of the cost of the product.
No, I'm not getting what you're trying to say. Give me a proper definition.
Proper definition. Actually, I don't know the definition, sir, regarding this.
Okay, cost benefit analysis consists 6 steps. Okay, so first is define the framework for the analysis. Okay, so we need a proper framework. Okay, for any project. Okay, so we need to build a proper framework. If I am a developer, so what are my priorities? Okay, so we need, what is the priority for the developer? Anyone? If I'm a software developer,
To develop a software within that limited time period and with defect free.
no. What I'm asking, framework for analysis. Okay, okay. First step is right. So what is the framework for the analysis? If I am a developer, okay, okay. What should my skills? Okay, being a developer. So I should have the proper knowledge on the programming. Okay, so I should know the which type of work I need to complete. So like that, we need a proper framework. So before developing any product or before selling any product, so we need a proper framework. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, the second step is identify and classify the cost and benefits. Okay, so we need to identify the what should be the cost and the benefits for the particular product. Okay, without that we can't sell that product, right? Then we need to draw a proper timelines according to the expected cost and revenue. Okay, so if I am developing a project, okay, being a developer or being a BA, if we don't have estimated time for that project, what will happen? There is a wastage of money, right? You guys are getting what is the cost benefit analysis?
Yes, sir.
So, so, so we need to set up a proper timelines for that particular process. Okay. Then next thing is, uh, for example, if I am going to create one water bottle, okay. So what I see, so bottle should contain 1 liter of water, right? Then the size of that bottle should matter, right? So according to that, we will analysis the, we will create a framework for that. Okay, for the water bottle. Are you guys getting what I'm trying to say, right? Any questions? Then next step is monetize cost and benefits. Okay. Then the fifth step is discount cost and benefits to obtain the present value.
हेलो सर,
Yes.
अदर सर यहाँ पे हम प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं क्या?
No, we can't create a problem statement. Okay, cost benefit क्या होता है? So cost benefit क्या रहेगा? अगर मैं कोई सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन, okay, for example, I am creating one app for you, gaming app, okay, right?
हाँ सर.
So once I develop that, so what is the process required to develop? Okay, so first we need the framework, proper framework. Okay, then once we create a framework, then what we do, we start working on that. Okay, while working, if we find any errors, then it will get delayed. Okay, then we need to pay our developers, testers. Okay, right?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so we need to set up a proper cost benefit analysis for any project. Okay, so ये product है, ये मुझे 10 रुपीज में बेचना है, so इसको बनाने के लिए मुझे कितना cost लगेगा और मैं इसमें कितना profit कमा पाऊंगा. So like that, got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's what we required, a cost benefit analysis.
सर, one more question. सर, ये डेवलपर बनाता है या फिर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट?
No, the process, ये जो है ये हम बना दिए, framework BA बनाएगा. Okay, so BA should prepare a framework. Okay, so framework, what that framework consists: analysis, requirement. First what we do, we need to plan an analysis, then we need what we require, then we need to gather the information. Okay, for which project we are working. Okay, then what we do, we start engineering on that, then we started developing. Right, got it?
Yes,
Then what we need to do, we need to perform testing on that, whether it is software or hardware, we need to test that product, right? And then we go to the market. So while developing that project any product, so what we need to analyze, so okay, so ये अगर मैं बॉटल बनाने के लिए मुझे कितना प्लास्टिक लगेगा, उसका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्जेस कितना होगा, सब मिला के, और वो जो प्रोडक्ट में जब बेचूंगा तब उसका कितना कॉस्ट होगा. So that sort of cost benefits we need to analyze, right, from developing to sales. But here what BA suggests, being a BA, what is our motto is to complete the project in the particular given timeline, right? So for that timeline, how much cost we should spend on that project, that who will decide, BA and project team, right? Got it?
yes, sir.
Then facilitation of skills. Okay, facilitating skills, what are the skills we require? So we should have the proper knowledge of the anything, right? Whether it is software or hardware project, okay, we should have the proper skill set to develop any product, right, or sell any product. So detail oriented and able to deliver at a high level accuracy. Okay, then organization skills, process modeling, then knowledge business structures, stakeholder analysis, requirement engineering, understand how network, database and other technologies are work. So these skills required for BA or any MBA student should have all of these skills. Okay, we should have the organization skills, process modeling, knowledge of the business structure. Without any knowledge of any business, we can't work on that. Okay, got it?
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions? Shall I move? So this all of the skill set we should have, right? Being a MBA student, we should have all of the skills, right? Any questions? Okay, I'm moving to the next. So these are the technical skills required for BA, not only for the BA, marketing students, then OSM students, HR students should have all of these knowledge. So they should be a business analyst on their prospective field. Okay, so we need a basic knowledge on the Excel. Okay, so we should have the database knowledge. For database we require MySQL, Power BI and Tableau. Okay, what is the Power BI and Tableau? BA students. Third semester. We have that subject, right? So R programming, Python programming, then Agile framework is most important. Okay, so Jira, this is also test management tool. Confluence, we can manage all the document in the Confluence, and you guys know the AWS and Azure, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we should have the proper, at least being a BA student. Okay, so we you should have Excel. Okay, hands-on on the Excel and MySQL, Power BI. At least you should know the fundamentals of programming R and the Python. Okay, and these are the very mandatory skills, right? These are Agile, Jira, Confluence. So these are the most important. Okay, so if you want to work in the IT industries, right? If you go for any kind of interview, the interviewer, they will ask definitely, do you know what is the Agile, what is the Jira, what is the Confluence, right? This is the beyond, right? So we need the all of the skills, not only bookish knowledge, right? We need to gather the these skills, right? Got it? So there are a lot of website, right? For example, Udemy. Guys, I'll tell you, please prefer Udemy, right? It's not Udemy, it's Udemy. So you'll get all of these technical skills over there and go through each and every, okay, and get the understanding of the each. So while you are searching for a job, so what is the requirement from any job provider for a BA? So he should ask the questions on Excel, MySQL, Power BI, R, Python, whether you are know about the Python or R. So any one language, okay, any one programming. So you should have the proper knowledge on this Excel, MySQL, Agile, Jira, and the Confluence. At least gather all of this information, whether you are weak in the programming, right? But you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These skills are required. These are the basic skills, okay? Then you will get the package more than 7.5, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if you are a business analyst student, you should have the proper knowledge on all of these technical skills. Then and then only you will get a better job opportunity. Otherwise, no one is going to entertain you in the market. Okay. Okay. I'll give you a simple example. Okay. So let's come here. Okay. So I'm here at the Naukri, right? So you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here I'm going to search business analysis. Okay. And hit on the search. Okay, so this is the business analyst, right? 0 to 1 year, and just come over here and check what is the skills they require. Okay, they require the commercial awareness, communication, and interpersonal skills. Likewise, I said earlier, time management and organization skill, problem solving, analytical skill, leadership and management, right? Computing systems. These are the proper skills. You should have the knowledge on that. Okay. Uh, Let me show you more. Okay. So right here, you see that, right? Business analytics, risk SQL, right? So what is the SQL?
Structured query language.
Yes. So like just yes. So what is the Scrum Master certification, Product Owner certification? So you should have the Agile Scrum related, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint. Yes, I am showing you the reality of the market. Okay. So what they required for a BA student, right? From the BA. So you guys have proper planning, organizational and time management skills. So, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just, you know, uh, I also, if you want to be a data scientist, right? So let's see what is the requirement for.
So I think they require same skill set.
Yes. If you want to be a machine learner, so you need that proper skill set. Okay. Without that, you will not get a proper profile. Okay. So right, either R or Python, right? Data scientist, data analysis, then resource scheduling capable of writing AI/ML, tool like Excel, statistical tools, data analysis can done through SPPS. So these are the multiple tools available in the market. So please go through that tool. And I'm not saying that go and okay, do R, Python. No, just complete fundamental knowledge of that. Okay. You should have the fundamental knowledge for that particular. Got it? Whether you go for any process like so, so any job title. So you guys should have these all of this technical knowledge. Okay? So everyone is going to ask you what is the agile methodology. Agile is a in agile what we do, right? So we divide our work in the sprints, small sprints. Okay, for a particular sprint, we have particular timeline. Got it? For Jira, if we should store all the information in the Jira, right? So for example, um, XYZ person is working on this particular problem, right? So we can assign the ticket. So you should have the proper knowledge on the Jira. Confluence. What is the Confluence? In that Confluence, you can, it is, let me show you Confluence. Okay. I don't have access, but it's taking time. So you should have the knowledge on the Confluence. In the Confluence, what we do, likewise, we use PowerPoint presentation, Excel, right? Excel, then Microsoft Word. So in the Confluence, we can manage the pages, okay, according to our requirement. All right. Yes, I'm giving you small. Okay, so here we can create for templates, right? Project related template, any, okay, spaces for your first space, right? I'm developing anything, so I can create this page and assign to anyone who is the source person for that. Then here we can invite the people and create a team, right? So templates, there are multiple templates. So like here we can create a meeting plan. Okay. What is the retrospective analysis related template? 90 days plan, all hands meeting. So okay. So once we create 90 days plan, then once the 90 days complete, then we need to perform all hands meeting. Then we will know where we are exactly, right? So likewise, this all of the tools you should know. Okay. So if I click on the create, so here I can it's like our Microsoft Word, right? So we can gather the all information in this database. So we will not lose any kind of information, right? Got it, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you should have similar to the Jira is same. Okay. So Jira, we are use Jira for assigning tasks, then creating features, right? Uh, you know the programming languages, right? R and Python. Power BI and Tableau are used for the data visualization. We can visualize data on the Microsoft Excel as well. For that, we should know the what is the pivot tables and everything. You should have the knowledge on that. Got it? Any questions, guys? So these types of skills we required as a BA, right? Got it. So any questions?
Sir,
Yes.
elaborate on that AWS Azure. What is that?
So AWS is Amazon Web Service and this is Microsoft Azure Web Services, right? So these are the cloud database. Amazon is giving us a, have you seen your Amazon site?
Yes, sir.
So there is one option, right? If you require any data storage, then Amazon is going to provide you the space for that, right? Got it?
Okay.
Yes. So here you can store any type of data, like a database. Both are like, okay. Amazon, AWS and Azure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So any questions?
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, what are the roles and responsibilities of business analysts in day-to-day activity?
So day-to-day activity, we can't say, we can't take it. So what
Daily
is the day-to-day activity, right? Yes, just I'm reaching out to my team. Okay, give me the status of the project.
Okay.
Like, got it. So what is the process of development? Where are we now? Is there any impediments? Any issues are you guys facing? So do I need to check with our stakeholders? Then yes, so that sort of work we should know. Okay. Beyond it is like a project manager. Okay. If you are the business analyst, then you are the coordinator between the your team and the stakeholder. Right?
Yes, sir.
Got it. So if then and then only our project meet its requirement. If there is no BA, then what will happen? The everything is get stuck, or we'll get a lot of obstacles while working on anything. Okay.
Sir, can we say BA is a bridge in between developer and the
Not like a developer, right? So bridge between everyone. Okay.
it's
All
kind
of
of
the team members.
yes, sir, yes.
Yes. Not like between developer and stakeholders. It's not like that, right? BA should reach out to his senior folks, right? So give the status. What BA do? Just he give the information from developer testers, right? Then he get the information from the stakeholders. Then he need to create a report and present to his higher management, right?
Okay, sir.
So we have the sprint, right? Cumulative sprints. So for each sprint, we have particular timeline to complete the following work. If the work is not completed, then what will happen? The project will not meet his requirement on time, right? It will get extended. Got it? So what BA do? Before any problem comes, the BA is the main person who is able to resolve that problem by communicating to his team, stakeholders, and higher management. Got it? So that's what I'm telling. We should have the interpersonal skills. We should talk to each other. I'm giving you lecture. Okay, I'm not giving you a lecture. I'm showing you how we work in the soft IT industry. If you are not talkative, then no one is going to understand what is your problem, right? Then you stay at your point, and other person who is talkative, then he'll get more opportunities, right? Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, be a more talkative, right? So if you have questions, whether I'm not able to give the answer, please reach out to me. Get my number from Anand sir, Harshali ma'am. Anytime, please ping me on WhatsApp if I'm not able to give a call back. Okay. Then I'll definitely help you if you have any queries. Which course should I complete on Udemy? Okay. But just I want you guys to work on, just go through Udemy, okay, and take high rated courses. You will get big discount on that. Why Udemy? Because they teach us what is the current market requirement. According to that, they design their sessions, right? So that's why I'm telling you, you guys go through the Udemy app, only Udemy.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, I want to know whether R programming in Python language only
no, no, no.
fundamentally sufficient for us, or programming is also required in the company?
It's depend. Okay, what type of project? If you have the fundamental, why I'm saying you guys have fundamental knowledge. Okay, so you know the R. What is the okay? R and Python. Then you should have only fundamental mental knowledge. Why? If you go on any particular project, okay, the requirement is different, right? So you will tell me, yes, I know the advanced Python, but they are going to the core Python. So that's why only gather the fundamental knowledge. Okay, what is the object? What is the OOPS concept for the Python? So gather this only information. Okay. So I'm not saying you should be a hardcore program for a BA. That is not requirement. Okay, got it. So BA is not go and write a code, right? There are the developers to write a code, but BA should have the knowledge. If is there any error in the testing call, your BA or tester is not able to join your call, then what do you do? As a BA, you should have the information. Okay, right. Oh, yeah, yes. So due to this reason, this issue, we got this issue. We are working on that. You should able to explain that. So that's what I am saying. You should have the fundamental knowledge of the Python and R. Okay,
Yes,
got
sir.
it. Any questions? Okay, how many BA students are in our call?
Sir, from second year, 26 students are there.
Okay, so no one is talking, right? So don't be a lethargic person. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you, I'm also in the interview panel. Okay. There are 4 to 5 resource person. Okay, for a single BA student. So they'll ask all the questions on these stuffs, right? They'll ask you, oh, what you have knowledge on Excel? Okay, then tell me how to use this formula. So you should know. Okay, or they will give you a sort some small data and tell you that yes, just create a pivot table percentage like that, right? They will ask you SQL queries, right? Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
if a fresher want to enter into the IT industry and with the BA specialization, then where should he start to apply? Means Naukri.com is there. Another
Yes.
one, you know.
Yes. No, there are multiple, but I like Naukri. Actually, Naukri gives you a proper information, right? There is a Indeed, LinkedIn also there, right? But I prefer Naukri. I don't know, but I like this because they give a proper information, like what type of job description. Okay.
Okay, and sir, I have seen that mostly fresher as having less opportunity, and 1 to 3 years experience are having a more opportunity on the Naukri.com. That's my
No,
observance is there.
yes, no, that's not like that. Okay. You are a fresher, okay. But if you have these skills, okay, on your resume, huh, then that is not matter, okay, whether I have 4 years experience or you have 0 years of experience. If you are more experienced than me, then definitely they give you call, okay. So what I am trying to say, just gather this information and understand the process, then you will get the good opportunity. Okay, then you will become data scientist after 4 to 5 years of experience, right? You can also you guys know the Salesforce. So in Salesforce there is one course also there, okay, for the Salesforce analyst. So
Sir, will you elaborate on Salesforce? We don't know the term. I am able to matlab recall, but what is Salesforce? We don't know.
actually I'm not working on that Salesforce, but Salesforce is like uh, okay, it's a user interface, you can say that, okay. So according to your requirement, you can design your page on the Salesforce. Got it? What I'm trying to say.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. For example, I am okay. I am working on the healthcare. Okay. So for healthcare, what we require, we required doctor information, right? So we can prepare a doctor information related page. Uh, okay, so, then what type of insurance they are that hospital is supporting, what type of services that hospital is giving. So how many patients should be there. So likewise, you guys can create a page, that is the UI, user interface. Okay, so Salesforce not required a prior programming language. Okay, got it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
This is very CR. Salesforce is very nice. Okay, so you can go through that. And also, just if you want to be a sales in the Salesforce domain, then you should have the admin level knowledge. Then you can switch to platform development, or app builder, or business analyst, or Salesforce CRM. Also, there is one course in that Salesforce. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So these are the primary skills you should have. Okay, you should have the basic, at least basic knowledge, gather the basic knowledge on this, all of these courses, right? If you have the all this basic knowledge, and you once you completed your MBA and started to apply for the job, and you have this proper knowledge, then you will get the better opportunity. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, only degree is not matter. You should have the extracurricular skills, technical skills, interpersonal skills. Okay, got it.
yes, sir.
Then you will get the chance to work in the project management. Okay. And not only for BA students, other fields can also go through this all the courses. Okay, but at least you should have the fundamental knowledge. Okay, if you wrote on your resume, yes, I know the Tableau, then I'll come and ask you, okay, open the Tableau and perform this task. You should know that, okay, how to perform. Whether you are wrong, okay, but at least you are trying. So resource person should understand, okay, oh, these guys work on this. He know how to, but he don't have that hands-on. Okay,
Excuse me, sir. Sir, as you said, like we should have a fundamental knowledge. But
yes.
honestly, when it comes to a recruiter, they specifically they look for a certification or some sort of training for certificate when it comes to a fresh. And
Okay,
when it comes
that's okay.
when
That's what I'm saying. Now, just go to Udemy app and
one
gather the all
yes.
information from them. Then Udemy is going to give a certificate, right?
Mhm,
So
mhm.
at least you should tell them, yes, I have completed this course for Python programming fundamentals from Udemy, and I have the certification for that.
Right, sir. But there are companies who don't prefer Udemy certification. Like last week only, I have given the interview for Deloitte,
Okay.
and they specifically they have mentioned like we don't entertain Udemy certifications. And when it comes to like as previously the person said, when it comes to a BA for freshers, the opportunities are very minimal. It's just because of they don't have the experience, and the company they face a problem when it comes to like when it, with trusting a person like to the fresher.
No, no, it's not like that. Okay. So I don't know about Deloitte, why that person is saying that. But in Wipro, we don't do like that. Okay. So you have that proper knowledge. That's why you have that certificate, right? Got it. Any questions, guys? So I think we are good, right? Okay. Thank you all. Over to
Thank
you,
you,
Harshali
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Mohit sir, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Session done, na?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone want to ask any question? Okay. I request to all students, please open your camera. So we'll take a photograph. Sir, you
Yes, yes, yes.
just open your camera. So we'll take a snap.
Yes.
Students. Yes. Rohit, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
First year students, I request first year students, those who have choose their specialization in BA. Okay, so you have an opportunity to ask any questions. If any questions raised in your mind regarding BA. First year students. No question? Okay, Rohit sir,
Yes, ma'am.
done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Students, I request to all, please fill the feedback form. Okay, Rohit, we'll share it, your chat. So is it compulsory for all students? So please do it all. Okay. Thank you so much, Advait,
Thank you, ma'am.
for a wonderful session.
Thank you.
Yes.